Hello YouTube, I'm Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Well, as you can see, I got my tool vest finished. Thanks again to Jesse with the Samurai Carpenter. He had the design, I kind of copied it using different materials, but you can see I got pencils and rulers and various drill bits, utility knives, scissors, basically everything I'd need at any given time while I'm in the shop. Got some magnetic things here. I'm going to have to replace this strip, get something a little sturdier, but I can hang things from that, hammers and so forth. I also have some magnets on the back so I can hang some saws, things like that when I'm not using them, but to keep them handy. So this is going to be extremely functional while I'm in the shop, and I'm looking forward to getting back to it. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great week.